so excited! Woo! I'm so excited, guys. Yo, this is the game changer. This is the game changer. Shit, I forgot the knife. I'll be back. Wow! Damn it, my head is not in frame. My head is not in frame. There you go. This is most probably not the recommended knife, but I'm so excited, bro. I'm gonna open this bad boy. Oh yeah, I recently did an Instagram poll, and I asked my followers, what should I get between a drone and a lens? And I think 73% or something like that. Yeah, I'll just pop it up on the screen now. Said I should get the drone, but okay, I think I kind of gave it away. Shit. Anyways, yeah, guys, I got the drone because you guys told me to get it. You guys told me to get it. Oh, wait, this gotta be dramatic. This gotta be dramatic. I don't know how we're gonna do this. The DJI Mavic Mini. Wait, why am I making so much noise? Why am I making so much noise? Anyways, guys, this is the DJI Mavic Mini. The 250 gram drone. And another one. I forgot to tell you guys about the surprise that I had. I was really completely honest with you guys, and I do not apologize for that. Let's make it go. Yeah. Whoa! Almost fell. Guys, I already cracked 2 of my phones this year, and I honestly don't want to go through that pain again. So nonetheless, let's open the second box. What's in the second box? Gotta be dramatic again. Boom, 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 boom. Sigma 18-235. I've developed feelings for this lens over the past probably 4 months or so. And finally, if you clean it, and this is the main game changer, to be honest. The drone, yeah, it's gonna give me just a bit of, you know, fanciness, but this is the main reason why I'm so a bit emotional, because I wish my dad was here to see this, but yeah, it's whatever. R.I.P. Dad, we miss you. But yeah, Sigma 18-235. This is the first zoom lens that keeps a constant aperture of f1.8. That's why I love this. This is heavy. Like amen. Nice pouch to carry. But yeah, this is the pure magic. This is the pure magic, guys. Sigma 18-35 f1.8. This is a beauty. I'm excited. Actually, let me put it on. Yeah, let me put it on.
How's that, sir? How's that for a change? Yo, guys, this lens is heavy. Like the tripod is struggling.
So much better. Look at the quality. So much better. Sigma. Yeah, this was my old kit lens. I hated this. This is nonsense. 18-55. But then it got me where I am today. So thank you so much. Like, this thing is so tiny. This thing is so tiny. Look at. Focus. Yeah, look at how tiny this thing is. This thing is
it.
Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. But yeah, I think this is it, guys. Yeah, let me go have fun. Bye. Please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. See you guys on the next video. Ciao.